So my name's Matt Hoff and I'm a Networks Maintenance Supervisor with Acton Water. Every week we clean the Acton Syphon, which picks up a lot of the northern part of Canberra, sewer, which comes down behind the National Museum and before it goes under the lake into the big trunk mains which head to LM. And we do that every week to collect any foreign objects, mainly wet wipes and rags, that get flushed down the sewer system, which are picked up on a rack inside the siphon. We like to do this so it doesn't all end up down at LM, for one. And also we got lines here that go, sewer lines that run under the lake, and we don't really want to get them blocked up because they're a bit hard to clean out. So over the years you find all sorts of things, Barbie dolls, money, toys, you know, matchbox cars, snakes, rats, all sorts of things. But yeah, don't put anything down the toilet that doesn't need to go down the toilet. Only use toilet paper. Don't flush down rags, wet wipes, toys, any other foreign object.